this lesson, we will briefly cover some of the expressions that use the verb tener. Tener is most commonly used to denote possession. Tengo muchos amigos. Los estudiantes tuvieron mucha tarea ayer. Si tuviera la oportunidad, viajaría a España. Tener que indicates obligation and means to have to do something. Tengo que estudiar para la prueba. Teníamos que trabajar mucho cuando era joven. Tendremos que estar listo. The phrase tener que ver con means to have to do with. Tu respuesta no tiene nada que ver con la pregunta. ¿Qué tenemos que ver con tus problemas? Si pierdan, tendrá que ver con su falta de preparación. And these are other expressions that use the verb tener. And when you use the phrase tener dolor de to refer to having pain or an ache, you refer to the part of the body that is painful or aching. Tengo dolor de piel. Tienes dolor de espalda. Tiene dolor de estómago. And there you have it, a very brief summary of some of the different expressions that use the verb tener. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you can share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.